Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado, and today I will show you what the Labelado box is. You can get the Labelado box by visiting our website. I will leave a link in the description to let you know how you can get your Labelado box. We have created the Labelado box to show to you how we print, what kind of materials we use, and what kind of special techniques you can use to enhance the labels for your products. The Labelado box comes with instructions on how to order your labels online. And don't worry, if you don't have a graphic design, if you don't have the graphic design for your label, you can ask for one online. Getting the Labelado box is the best way to touch with your own hands and to see with your own eyes the quality of all the labels from Labelado. The Labelado box is very cheap to purchase, but don't worry, even that money that you use to purchase the Labelado box will be refunded as soon as you make an order, because you will receive a discount that has the same value of the Labelado box. Therefore, you can consider the Labelado box as a free gift. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're interested in more videos about printing techniques, graphic design and branding, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any. And as always, love you all. Ciao.